Hey YouTube, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor is a crucial component of your vehicle's engine because it measures the amount of air entering into the engine, using which it determines the appropriate amount of fuel that's required for the combustion. Therefore, if the mass airflow sensor becomes dirty due to dirt, oil, dust or any other contaminants, this will lead to an incorrect fuel air mixture ratio, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration and also reduced fuel economy. And as always, to get started, we will go ahead and pop the hood. Once we lift the hood, you will find the mass airflow sensor right next to the air filter or the air box. So what essentially happens is when the air enters into your car, it goes through the air intake system. The first component it encounters is the air filter, whose job is to actually filter out all the dust, dirt and any other contaminants in the air. The air then passes through the mass airflow sensor, and the mass airflow sensor measures the air and passes this information to the car's ECU, based on which the ECU calculates the appropriate amount of fuel injection and ignition timing, and then it eventually reaches the combustion chamber where it is mixed with fuel and ignited by the spark plugs. So to access the mass airflow sensor, we will first remove the airbox by first loosening this bolt with a flathead screwdriver, and then we will open the airbox by removing the two clips, one here on the left and the other one here on the right. Once the clips are removed, we will then move the airbox slightly back and lift it up to remove the airbox. And lastly, we will find the wire connection near the mass airflow sensor near the intake tube, and we will disconnect that. Now I'm just going to remove the top of the airbox and the part of the tube that contains the mass airflow sensor. Behind the mass airflow sensor, you can also see the throttle body, which basically regulates the air into the engine. And I will show you how to clean that in another video. Once we turn this over, you will find the mass airflow sensor. And if you observe closely, the mass airflow sensor has its own housing, its own electrical components, and most importantly, it has a sensing element that looks like a Q-tip, and that is the specific part that we need to clean. To clean the mass airflow sensor, I'm going to be using this CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner, and this is a specific type of cleaning solution that's designed to clean and remove contaminants from your mass airflow sensor, and it typically comes in the form of a spray can, and you should not use any other kind of cleaning products. And now I'm going to generously spray this mass airflow sensor cleaner on the sensing element and let it dry for about 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes and the mass airflow sensor is completely dry. So now we're going to install this back to our car. So now I'm going to take this housing with the mass airflow sensor and connect it between the airbox and the throttle body. Also make sure that the top of the airbox fits properly into its dedicated slots right over here. Make sure to align all these components properly and also securely tighten the hose clamps. We will then close and secure the airbox with its respective clips, one on the left and one on the right. And then I'm going to ensure all the inlets, the intake tube and the throttle body are all secure. And then I will attach the wiring connector near the mass airflow sensor. And once that is done, that's everything you need to know about cleaning your mass airflow sensor. And in future videos, I'll show you how to clean your throttle body. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if you did, please like this video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.